This is Inside Nnewi, a program that showcases the business, entertainment, culture, lifestyle, hospitality, and of course the religion of the Nnewi people. Sharing weekdays on your number one Igbo-centric channel, AnaedoTV. Follow us on all platforms to enjoy more Igbo-centric content. Stay with us. Everyone desires a home away from home, a place of rest and relaxation. Are you visiting Nnewi for the first time? Are you looking for a place to rest? Do you want a place where you can enjoy maximum rest and relaxation? Allow me to introduce you to top 5 luxurious hotels in Nnewi, where you can have a wonderful rest and as well enjoy maximum relaxation. Our first stop is at the Nnewi Hotel, located at number 1 Eden Rise, Akabwezem, Urago, Nnewi. The executive suite in the Nnewi Hotel is well spacious, designed to provide maximum comfort. They don't just care about your comfort and your physical needs. They got your spiritual life. Yes, you always have a Bible in case you need to communicate to God. The serenity at the poolside allows you to enjoy nature's finest beauty. It's always a good time at Osoraba. Cheers to greatness.
Osoraba.
Worried about keeping fit when you are away? Nah, the gym at the Nnewi Hotel and Event Center got you covered as it is fully and very much equipped. Classic Munich Hotel and Resort, located at kilometer 13 Umudinkwa, Umudim. Come with me as we explore this environment. This is the executive suite. This over here is the presidential suite. And of course, this is the deluxe. Let's keep going. This is a culmination of class and elegance. When we talk about a home away from home, certainly we're talking on this. a trip and worried about your daily exercise routine? Nah, you don't need to. The classic Munich Hotel and Resort got you covered. How else do you describe class if not enjoying your peace in classic Munich VIP bar? Just with life. Whether you're dining solo or enjoying with family and friends, the serenity and ambience of the classic Munich restaurant allows you to savor each taste of this great meal. Our next stop is the Passready Hotel and Suite, located at 200 New Nnewi Road, situated in the heart of Nnewi, a city known for its billionaires' residence. This hotel is a culmination of hospitality, luxury, and class. Come with me as I check it out. And now, experience the ambience of Passready Hotel. And wow! At Passready Hotel and Suites, we have various ranges of rooms to accommodate everyone, from our standard room, executive room, super executive room, to our ambassadorial suite and presidential suite. In these rooms, you have 24 hours uninterrupted power supply, smart TV, wireless intercom, strong and fast Wi-Fi. Savor the taste of our special fried rice. Like no one's serving. Wow, this is tantalizing. I can't wait to devour. So for your business meetings and your business needs, we have a boardroom conference hall to cater for all your needs, and it is fully air conditioned. The Dabara Hotel and Suites, located at number 67 Nnewi Road in Iyaba Umudim, is a perfect location for holiday, vacation, vacation. Are you even looking forward to a business trip? This is a perfect choice. Its beautiful aesthetic is a match for its top-notch services. Come with me as we explore. And this is luxury at its peak. The ambience of this place speaks nothing short of class. Wow! Stress can never follow you into a place like this. The Dabara Hotel and Suite has a world-class swimming pool that allows you to unwind after everyday life stress. Enjoy the freshness. Dabara Hotel and Suite also provides for all your fitness needs. You need to burn up some energies and keep fit. Then, don't need to worry. Celebrating more wins. The Dabara Hotel and Suite Bar is a good place to celebrate. Cheers to greatness. I found myself at the restaurant. The serenity and ambience of this place makes eating at the Dabara Hotel very, very interesting. I know I'm so tired. Seeking an alternative for a hotel stay, a place where you can enjoy comfort of home and prepare your own meal. Moonshine Residence is an apart hotel that gives you a home away from home experience. It is a peaceful oasis for a modern traveler. How else do you describe elegance and class? This is truly a home away from home. With its 24 hours uninterrupted Wi-Fi access, you can be far from home and still be at home. You don't need to worry about the kids. Why? They always have a place where they can burn up energy. You can as well sit and have a heart-to-heart with them. The Moonshine Residence also makes provision for a pool, but because I don't like to take a dip, I rather sit by the pool bar and enjoy the view. Enjoy swift and sumptuous dining experience at the Moonshine Restaurant. Their meals are not only served fast, but delivers exceptional taste and flavor. Indulge in comfort and luxury on the plushy bed that facilitates relaxation. A good sleep starts in a high quality bed.